In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify Shopify theme, 5 minutes. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to find out which theme a Shopify store is using, starting from your admin, opening the live site, and checking the page's source code for the theme details. I'll keep it clear and practical, and I'll point out a few helpful tips as we go. Start by heading to Shopify and opening your admin dashboard. Once you're in, look for the settings option typically found at the lower left of the admin. Open settings, then select domains. This is where Shopify lists every domain connected to your store. Find the entry marked as your primary domain. That's the address customers actually visit, so it's the one we want. Click into the primary domain, then choose View to open your live storefront in a new browser tab. With the storefront open, right-click anywhere on the page. From the menu that appears, choose View Page Source. Depending on your browser, it might be called View Source or Show Page Source, but they all do the same thing. They reveal the raw HTML that the browser is rendering. A new tab will open filled with code. Don't worry, you don't need to read everything. What you're looking for are theme-related references that Shopify includes on most stores. Common clues include lines that mention Shopify or theme store ID, theme ID, or theme/name. You may also see a meta tag or a JavaScript object that includes the theme's name or an ID number. If you spot a recognizable name like Dawn or Impulse, that's likely the current theme. If you see a numeric theme store ID, that typically points to a theme from the Shopify theme store. If the name looks generic, such as Live Theme or something branded, it could be a customized or renamed theme. In that case, the ID, if present, is your best indicator. A quick note, some stores minimize or bundle their code, which can make the theme references harder to spot. If you don't immediately see them, scroll a bit further, check near the top and bottom of the source, or look within script sections. Also, make sure you opened the storefront from your primary domain in the domains area. That ensures you're inspecting the correct site if multiple domains are connected. If right-click is disabled, try opening the page in a different browser where you can access the source. And if a store uses a heavily customized setup or a headless approach, theme details may be limited. That's all you need to identify a Shopify theme from the source. Open Shopify, go to Settings, Domains, view the primary site, right-click, and check the page source for theme clues. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.